This will be the most advanced transition technique we will cover in this course, masking transitions. Find two clips where there's a moving object covering and panning across the screen, like his arm here. Then place them above each other and start masking the object, one frame at a time. Remember to hit the stopwatch button as it starts the keyframes. As you can see, for every frame you go forward and change the value of the path, a new keyframe will be added. Remember to hit the invert button so it switches between what the mask will affect. Then arrange, add and move the pins so that it covers the parts it needs to cover. It's very time consuming, but well worth the attention you're giving it. As you can see here, the corners are very hard. That's because we haven't adjusted the feather. Play with the feather value until you're happy and satisfied. If you need to adjust any of the keyframes and the positions of the masking, simply choose the keyframe you want to adjust and change the pins inside there. But make sure that the effect doesn't affect anything else. Well done! Now you know how to mask transitions in a very simple way.